Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's having a great day and a great week. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I just looked, now this is Sunday, July 31st. Just looked, I'm at 1,042 subscribers. I'm a little slow on the giveaway, but I've been thinking about it and I think I was overthinking it. So I came up with an idea, something very simple. I want to give somebody something, and I've been thinking about that too. And since everybody's doing an Amazon thing, we'll go with a $50 Amazon card. Now here is what we're going to do. Now I'm going to ask a question. There's no right answer, no wrong answer. Unless you're just one of those really highly opinionated people. But no right or wrong answer. Ask a question. I'm going to take everybody's name and put them in a spreadsheet, take them to random.org after 1 week, if we have enough people to do it. Participation is all that matters. And let them pick a random name, and that will be the winner of our giveaway. And I just want to do this to a nice gesture in appreciation of everybody watching the videos and subscribing and all the great comments I've had. Because I'm not doing this to be a know-it-all or to make a living at it, which would be awesome, but doing it to help people out. You know, I watch YouTube all the time to learn things and to be entertained somewhat. And I'm hoping I'm entertaining, you know, when I'm doing something. But and it's an enjoyable hobby. I just enjoy doing it. It takes my mind off my normal everyday job. So anyway, there is our 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and the question is, what is your primary computing device? Is it a Mac computer, a Windows PC, a Linux computer, Chromebook, iPad, Android tablet, iPhone, Android phone, Raspberry Pi? For y'all don't know what a Raspberry Pi is, single board computer, or anything that I missed, which I don't think I did, but I could have. So put that in your comment, and at the end of a week or however long it takes, I'll pick a name with random.org, and somebody will get a $50 Amazon card. So there's the giveaway. What is your primary computing device? Okay, so channel updates. I got a couple of channel updates. So I'm changing my camera views, my angles and settings. Found some really helpful information online this week. So I'm doing that. I'm shooting in an S-Log3 format, which is flat, and then I have to go in and put the color to it. And I've been learning how to fix my audio to where it sounds a little more pleasant than just straight out of the microphone, which this microphone, the Hollyland Lark M1, great. So you'll be seeing a lot of changes on lighting and how I'm doing this, and I'm still paying for all this. So second update, my swimming pool. On my last week's video, I think it was last Saturday, I put a video out where I changed the sand in my sand filter. Amazing results from that. I have no algae, everything's clean so far. Everything looks good. I'm going to take you outside and show you that. I would love to take you out and show you an update on our hybrid poplar trees, which I may go do that while I'm out. I'm going to grab the GoPro and run outside with it. And all right, that's about it. So let's stop here, grab the GoPro, run outside, and I'll show you the swimming pool and the trees. So I'm tickled to death with both of them. So we'll see you outside. Okay. Well, my ribs on the smoker video didn't work out. The camera jacked up on me, so walk down here and look at the pool. So last week's video, changing out the sand, I have a very clean pool. Except for a little bit of stuff in the middle because we got 2 inches of rain last night. No algae. There's my weights that I put on the steps. And one thing I did to the steps, I drilled holes in all the stair treads to allow water to flow all the way through. So that's the pool video. If you have any questions on changing the sand out, I'm getting a little bit better at it. So now I want to show the hybrid poplar trees. They're really doing amazing. And we have a neighbor dog now, and my dog's going nuts. Be right back. All right, back in the very back, we got these hybrid poplar trees. And we got them from fastgrowingtrees.com. And we didn't prune them up this year. We're going to this fall. But I measured it yesterday. It's 17 feet up there. Now this one is just huge. It's a big round. This one is 20 feet tall. Way up there. And they have really turned out good. We're going to stake them one more time probably and groom them up, prune them up real good. So anyway, that's our channel updates. Hope everybody tries the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Let me know what your computing device is. Hope everybody likes this video. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. We'll end it right there. Hope everybody's had a great day and a great weekend. But until the next video, thanks for watching.